Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials so fixes work. Sign into your Apple ID in System Settings, then verify your network. Switch Wi-Fi off and on or plug Ethernet. Once done, make sure macOS is updated to the latest compatible release. Many App Store issues stem from mismatched system versions. You're setting the stage so deeper fixes won't be blocked by basic mismatches. If any step fails, note the exact error before moving on. Next, you perform targeted resets and inspections. Quit the App Store, then open Activity Monitor to force Quick COM. Apple, App Store and Store Agent if they hang, this refreshes background services. Navigate to your user library and remove the App Store cache and preferences to eliminate corrupted state. Then open Keychain Access and confirm there are no duplicate or expired App Store credentials. Delete the bad entries and re-sign in. These steps remove persistent faults while preserving. To finish, restart your Mac to rebuild system services and relaunch the App Store. Try installing a small free app to test behavior. If problems continue, run Disk Utility First Aid on the startup disk because file system errors can block store operations. As a deeper test, boot into safe mode and try the App Store there. If it works, profile or login items are likely culprits, so create a new user account and test. If none of this helps, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.